Hi all, this is Cunin Woman. Today we'll discuss about how to prepare for logical reasonings. It is one of the scoring sessions in exams. This topic is all about your concentration towards question. For that, follow these steps. Main thing is, as soon as you read the questions, you have to start solving. For example, in puzzles, if it's given as A is second right of B, you have to directly draw the thing in paper simultaneously by reading the questions. Never read the questions twice. It's very important, and if you do, it's waste of time, and also solving too long for a single question will waste your time and also upset your mind. Moreover, choosing the questions are most important in this section because when you pick different questions, that is difficult questions, you won't get time to solve easier ones. Got it? Self. Okay, now we'll see how to prepare for each topics. First, start with seating arrangements in that linear, circular, triangular, etc. Okay. As I said earlier, you have to imagine yourself for this topic. Okay. And second, go for coding, decoding, alphanumeric series. These are the simple ones. Okay. Now go for blood relation. For this also you have to imagine yourself. For example, if question is given as Raju is father of Ramu, imagine yourself as Ramu, your father as Raju, and so on. Okay, and go for syllogism. In syllogism there are many methods, but I prefer Venn diagram method. Next, go for inequality and directions. In directions also imagine yourself like you are walking, turning right, left. Draw the lines according to it. Okay. Now, these are the simple topics and does not take much time. Only practice matters. Now, get to next level, that is prepare for data sufficiency, decision making, statement and assumption, input and output. In this order, prepare topics one by one. There are many videos in YouTube to help you understand the concept. Okay. Only thing is practice, practice, practice. Okay. Now we'll see how to learn the topics. Those are same as what we said for aptitude. The same we should apply here also. First thing is to learn the concept. Second, start solving. Third, learn the trick. And fourth is solve with timer. For solving questions in Telegram, you can find enormous amount of PDFs available there. Go search for it and solve it. If any doubts you get, post it in Telegram, grade up and clear it. Okay. Logical is a scoring area, so please enjoy it and solve. It helps you really. Okay. Please don't solve in hurry or think about external things. Got it? Now we'll go for English. Persons with reading habit are already gifted because English is a place where you can score marks without learning much. Now we'll start with reading habit. Take newspaper, Hindu, Indian Express, anything you prefer. Just relax, smell it and say, yes, you can read. Mostly read in evening times as you need not by heart or concentrate on it much. Okay. Keep dictionary or Google search aside. First, read the headings of front page. As you read itself, you will get to know what the content would be. Now, go to your city page. Read the headings alone there too. These will increase your mindset to look into the newspaper and boost your reading mindset. Now, go for editorial page. Just read a glance. If any difficult words, refer dictionary, and at last, once the page is over, just think about what topic you read and try to recall it. You will be understood only 1/3 of news. It's okay. It will become 3 out of 3 within few weeks. Similarly, once in 2 weeks, go for sports business columns too. And this should be your daily routine. It is must. Okay. You should not skip this reading until you clear the final exams. Now we'll see how to start and end a topic. First thing, we'll start with error spotting, that is grammar. In this, you have to understand the topic clearly, that is the concept clearly, and you have to start solving it. Please just don't think this may be the answer. Please don't guess. Okay. And main thing in this is Grammar rules. You should learn the grammar rules, no other go. Okay, without reading this grammar rules, it will lead only to negative marks. So please don't do that. Once you clear with grammar, go for reading comprehension. In that, if you keep on reading newspapers side by side, then that's enough for this. You need not prepare for reading comprehension extra. Okay, now you can go for closed test and para jumbles. Refer YouTube videos for its trick and all. In para jumbles, if you can't arrange all the sentences, but you can at least find the first and the last one. Same way, you can at least answer 2 to 3 in closed test by reading the para completely. Okay, but never conclude on yourself without understanding the paragraph's meaning. Okay, if the closed test is of simple story, you can completely answer all the questions. But if you can't, also if the closed test is very difficult also, in that case also you can attend 2 to 3 questions, it's for sure. Okay, once these topics gets over, go for idioms and phrases. Actually, there is no trick for this, but the best way to find answer for this question is by eliminating the answers. But please don't guess the answers. If you find question is easy alone, go for it, or else just leave. And to practice English, in Ada app, there will be questions uploaded daily. You can keep solving that. This will be more than enough for English. Now English is over. Tricks to clear prelims is given in description box. Kindly check it. Thank you. Kindly subscribe, share and like this video if you like it.